Hi, today I am going to show how to create a package and how to import a package. Okay, so let's start. So this is my CRXD in AEM server. In the CRXD view, always you can type localhost. Let me type again. Includes CRX/DE. Once you enter this, automatically it will ask you the login credential if you have not given, and once you give the login credential, automatically it will load the CRXD. And this icon is for the actual CRXD view, and there is a second icon you see. This is package manager. To go to the package manager, you click on here, and package manager can be so this particular feature is being used to create a package out of our AEM server, and that package can be shared to anyone in your team or outside of your team, and whoever is going to deploy that package, all those content will be coming to their system as well. So basically you have to share some content of your AEM local AEM server to other, then you can use package manager feature. To create a package, let's assume I'll give you one example. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a content package for WKND US folder. Okay, where this ENIN should be transferred to another CRXD. So I'll go to the package manager. I'll create. I'll click create package. Give a package name. Usually you can give the same WKND US, and you can put some naming convention like local. And as part of the version, you can put 1.0. I usually follow date timestamp, that is 2023.08. That will be the month. Dot 06. Okay. If I click OK, then this is a empty package created. However, we have to add the filters. Okay, what is a filter? Filter is where we have to tell what are the information we wanted to share. So as part of the content, I wanted to share US package. Click OK. Fine. If I wanted to share some more, I can select again any of the details. For example, conf also I wanted to share, then I will select this as well. Done. Like this. Save it. Once you save it, then this is asking for build. Once I build it and it is ready, I can download this package which I see here, and this particular package can be shared to the anyone your team, so that they will have the same package. Now we will check how this package is being imported. I'll go to the CRXD again. I'll delete my weekend structure completely, or US structure. Let me delete this, save it, reload, and let's open. I don't have anything. Okay, inside weekend I have only that JCR content, nothing else. Okay, and these are just image related files, so I'm ignoring them. Now I have to upload whatever I have already downloaded. So because I have created the package here, it might not let me upload again, so I will delete this package as well. Now click upload. I'll select my package which I have created just now. Click OK, and I will click install. That's it. It's just simple like this. And when we go and open the weekend, and here the US packages again came here. Okay. So this, when we should use this feature, for example, in our team there are 10 person working in the project, and one person can create the whole page and he can export as a package. That package can be shared to throughout the team, and we can avoid a lot of effort of creating this package in everyone's system. That's where this is quite advantage, and it will increase a lot of productivity inside the team. Then one more important scenario it can be used. For example, developer can create these pages and they can share to the person who do not have the page creation knowledge. So let's example for a testing team, in case they wanted to test anything in their local or in the testing server, but they do not know how to create that page. They don't want to know like what are the components. They just need the page to be created automatically. In that case, we can share this particular package and they can follow this particular step to install that whole page inside the server, and they can test right away without creating the without filling the complex dialog inside the components. That's where it comes as very handy to use this feature. This was a short video I just planned, and this can be used as a KT to your author team or to anyone who do not have the knowledge of how to import a package and how to install in your CRXD. There is one bonus part I wanted to show. If you do not remember how to access the CRXD localhost 4502, this URL, you can always go to AEM default view, click on here, click on this hammer icon, then you will see the CRXD icon. On click of that, automatically you will be taken to the CRXD view. You can follow this as well. With this, I'm coming to end of this video. Thank you.